Hey guys, Natasha Denona here, and in this tutorial I'm going to feature the Zendo Eyeshadow Palette, and the look is gonna be a green teal color combination with a hint of a mint duochrome. Keep on watching. I'm starting with Equilibrium. This is a high foiled medium teal shade. Picking it up with a dense eyeshadow brush and gently swiping it onto the outer third of the lid. To create a gradient finish of the teal shades, I'm following with Flow, pressing it onto the center lid with my finger or a dense eyeshadow brush. To define the lash line, I'm picking up ZEAL with a small brush and I'm tracing the whole lash line to give some definition and depth, and also creating a higher angle on the outer third of the lash line to lift the eye. To continue the gradients, I'm picking Breath. This is a cream powder formula, a very light mint color, pressing it with a flat eyeshadow brush onto the inner corner and continuing to connect and to blend it into the other eyeshadow. I like the look already now, but if you want to add a little bit of more dimension in color, you can press the shade Yama, which is a sparkling duochrome, onto the inner corner. It will stick so easily onto the cream powder formula underneath. And for the final step, I'm using the shade Mantra, which is a cream powder formula. You can use this shade even though it's pretty dark. You can still use it as a transition shade. You can soften out all harsh lines because it's a cream and you can customize the color payoff. So you just pick a little bit of this product and swipe it onto the crease. I'm defining the lip line with the I Need a Nude lip crayon in the shade Lala, number NB5. And coating the lips with the I Need a Nude lipstick in shade Naya, number 4B.